Hi, this is Lisa with Holland Designs Crochet. This is a close-up look at my latest design from the 2025 Afghan Club. This is the Zigzag Waffle Chevron blanket. So it is a chevron style or ripple style blanket. We have increases happening at the top points and decreases happening at the bottom points. It is, again, a made-to-measure design, so you can make this to any size. You can use it any width, any length, customize it. You can also use it to make a scarf. So I'm using for the sample this Chevron Skinny Cakes, and this particular color is Melon Smoothie. So this obviously comes in a wide variety of color combinations. So this zigzag waffle stitch, I've used this for the original zigzag waffle blanket, which was in the 2024 Afghan Club. I also have a C2C version of this stitch, and of course now we have the chevron style. So I began making a swatch this morning for a video demo which I filmed. So in the pattern there is a video demo linked showing you how to make this blanket, and of course I just did a swatch, but you can make yours to any dimensions, and it'll help walk you through all of the rows of the pattern and learn how to do this pretty stitch. So I am using, of course, this DK weight yarn and a K hook. So if you want to use a bit of a heavier yarn, like a worsted weight size 4 yarn, you're going to want to upsize your hook and use something bigger than a K hook. Again, the weight is lovely, very plush and beautiful, but also has a nice drape. So it's not too heavy. It's just right. You can, of course, use different colors. You can either, use solid colored skeins and then alternate colors, or you can use, like I'm doing with this sort of gradient or variegated yarn, get something like a pretty sort of skinny stripe effect. So I hope you enjoy this new pattern. Again, this is the Zigzag Waffle Chevron blanket, and I hope you enjoy making this one. I look forward to seeing all your projects. If you share any of them with me, I look forward to seeing what you create.